Yo, what is up YouTube? It's me, Nytrix, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own UI build in Roblox Studio. Later, when you play your game, different devices sometimes device like later on, like when you play Roblox and when you're on different devices, the UI, the frame, the image buttons and stuff like that. What happens is like the it doesn't size up the device. So today I'll be teaching you how to like fix that problem. So before we start, um, I just want to say thank you so much for 126 subs. I've lost a lot of subs, like not a lot, but like two maybe, because like I couldn't really upload a lot because of school and stuff. Um, but again, I came back to 126. I'm happy with that. But I plan on making more videos and teaching you guys more education about you know deving and stuff. This is my, not my main account. This is my channel account. But I do have a main account. See, I'm in this OG game. I have a main account. So um, just so you know. So uh, yeah. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. And have any suggestions for me to make any new other like other videos like tutorials you want me to make? I'll click I'll be helpful and like I'll try my best to make it. Yeah, and yeah, just over here. Yeah, so let's just get in the video. Alright, so first, once you go to the Roblox Studio, you want to go to View and make sure Explore and Properties are open, and Toolbox is also open. And then you want to go to Home, Toolbox, and then you want to go to Store, Toolbox, and then go to Store, and then for Models, switch to Plugins. Alright, and then after you do that, you want to search up Auto Scale Lit. So let me just copy the name right here, and you want to search that up. And then you'll be able to find this model. Just click it. You'll see it's free. You can like it if you want. Install it to your game. It'll give this notification. You want to go to plugins, and you'll see it over here. If you don't have it, you don't have it here, go to manage plugins, and go scroll all the way down or over here, and then you'll see it here. You can keep auto update on. It's your choice. I'll keep it on, and then you have it keep it checked. So if it's not checked, you want to display over here. So make sure it's checked. And then after that's there, you want to go ahead to explore and then start a UI and make a screen GUI. And then you want to create your own GUI. So I'm just going to make mine really quickly. I'm going to add a frame and an image button. So here's the frame. Oh, this is the image button, sorry. So this is the image button over here. And this is the frame. Let's go back to explore, frame, and here, go like this. All right, so now I'm just gonna go and put this wherever you want, like so. You don't need to make this big, it's your choice. I'm just gonna teach you how to make it more scaled so that when you go to test over here and press device, you'll see how it like goes down here instead of staying in the middle, and this one goes like too big here, and over here is okay. So I'll teach you everything, but one second, let me just make my frame work. Go to frame properties. I'm just gonna make it visible to false. Image button. I'm gonna add a local script to this and leave whatever is inside it. And then if you want the script, I'll put it down in the description or the comment section. This is the script I'm using for my GUI. So that's this over here is the frame right here, and you can rename it to whatever you want. So I can like rename it to frame, I don't know, frame shop, and then you had just rename it over here frame shop. You get it, right? So just here also same thing. If you have screen UI, you can change it to screen shop GUI, anything you want. Really just have to like change whatever you change over here in the explore frame or screen UI. Make sure you say change it over here too. Um, then once you're done that, I'm already done my GUI like this. So if I go and press play, I'll see that the GUI works. Open and close. You just press the image button, open and close. And then I'm gonna go ahead back and press stop. It's because I want to go back to test. Oh wait, let me fix that square really quick. Open this, make the square a little bit more fixed like that. All right, so then um so now if you want to make your UI better for different devices, go back and go to Explorer, frame and make sure the properties, go to properties for that frame and make sure it's checked so that you can see the frame. And then what you want to do is go to test, and you'll see over here that the image button in the frame is not like staying in the proper places where you want it to be, and over here it does. So what you want to do is go to explore and open this. You don't need to select the local script, so whatever is inside the frame or whatever is inside the image button, you just want to select both of them. If you have things in the frame, like I'm just gonna add an image button, for example, or an image label, right? It doesn't matter what you put in the frame. You want to just like select all of this, except you don't need to select the screen GUI. You don't need to select the local script or any scripts in the GUI. Just make sure each thing is like frame or image label or image button or text button, etc. Is selected, and then you want to go to plugins, and then here you'll see all these three. I don't really use the scale text, but not really useful all the time. But all you need to do is press unit scale or unit scale, unit sorry, not unit scale, unit conversion, and then you want to press scale and scale. Make sure both position and size is scaled. Press it one more time. And then after that, you want to go and press, don't press anything else. Make sure it's both scaled, and then you want to press add constraint. And now it'll just keep adding constraints until it's added to everything. Now if I go to explore, I'll see that it's added here, here, and here. This is not in the local script, it's in the image button. So yeah, and then for the scaling part, if I go to test device, you'll see here that now it's scaled. Now if I go here back and go to explore, close this frame, go to properties for that frame, scroll down to visible to false. I'll go here and press select. I'm going to press play. I'll see that it closes, the image button is there, and it's in the right place because I scaled it and I position, like I use a plugin. But if I go test and use the device, you can also change the device whatever you want. I use the iPhone 14 Pro for the phone like device, but you can change to any device you want. You can also change the resolution over here, and you can also change the rotation of your phone or your device. So if I'm just gonna press play during the game on a smaller device like this, and you can see you can move around, and you can see the image button is on this side. You press on it, and the frame is more scaled than before. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and before I end this video, please make sure to subscribe, like the video. If you have any other suggestions for me to do any other new tutorials, just comment down below, and I'll try my best to help you. So yeah, bye, peace.